Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The external design of the 2025 Ford Puma EV, also called the Ford Puma Gen-E, keeps Puma's distinctive modern appearance while adding a few unique elements to set it out as an electric car. Inspired on the Ford Mustang Mach-E, one of the primary changes is the body-colored closed panel that replaces the front grille. This enhances the vehicle's aerodynamics, which is critical to an electric vehicle's efficiency. The crossover silhouette remains energetic and compact. Reduced air resistance with improved rim design. Enhanced energy efficiency with improved aerodynamic features. To give them a more contemporary appearance, the front and back lights may undergo design modifications. Bumper design modification to increase aerodynamic effectiveness. With a few changes to reflect its electric character, the inside of the Ford Puma is probably going to keep its contemporary, ergonomic design. It is anticipated that the use of premium materials and careful finishing touches will continue. Navigation, entertainment, and EV settings are just a few of the amenities that will be controlled by a large infotainment touchscreen. A quick and advanced entertainment system that seamlessly connects to smartphones. Sophisticated communication features including wireless charging and Wi-Fi hotspot. Important details about the electric car, like battery level, range, and energy consumption, will be shown on the digital instrument panel. High-end sound system, climate control system with automatic air conditioning. Full-featured ADAS driver assistance systems. It is anticipated that the 2025 Ford Puma EV will have a roomy and cozy cabin for both passengers and their belongings. Headroom and legroom are maximized by the clever interior design. The chairs have heating and electrical adjustment features for maximum comfort. An all-electric drivetrain will be a feature of the 2025 Ford Puma EV, also known as the Ford Puma Gen-E. A front-mounted electric motor with a capacity of 100 kilowatts and 290 Newton-meters is anticipated to power the Ford Puma Gen-E. The front wheels receive 166 horsepower and 214 pounds-feet of torque from the single electric motor. 53.8 kilowatt-hours is the battery's capacity. The Puma can drive up to 376 kilometers with a 43 kilowatt-hours battery, according to WLTP Worldwide Harmonized Light Vehicle Test Procedure testing. The smooth driving experience and fast acceleration are features included into this electric car. According to Ford, a quick charge of 10 to 80% may be completed in 23 minutes. An electric propulsion unit manufactured at Ford's Halewood facility in the United Kingdom powers the vehicle, which is built at the company's Otozan plant in Craiova, Romania. In the spring of 2025, the Puma Gen-E will start to be delivered.